Hello guys, this is Shubhadeep. Welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial, we will talk about all selected versus remove filters. What is the difference between all selected and remove filters? Let's see. Here you can see this is our table, orders table, and I have taken subcategory. There is some subcategory of items and total profit, all selected and remove filters. First see all selected. Here you can see there is normal DAX function. I have creating a percentage of profit, all selected. Here you can see, and I have taken the remove filters function. Okay, I have created a DAX function with remove filters. Divide, total profit, calculate, and remove filters. So what they are doing actually? Let's see the difference. Here you can see there is subcategory, and I have taken three products. I have selected three products: applications, shares, and papers. What all selected doing? All selected giving a percentage. You can see 41.51, 41.14. These three products are selected, right? And all three products are percentage of 100%. Total percentage is 100%. So what all selected is doing? All selected creating a percentage only for the selected products. These three products are selected, and all selected function creating the percentage of each items only the selected products. Okay, so you can see applications is 41.51%, shares 41.11%, and paper is 17.35%. And these three items total is 100%. Then what remove filters is doing? Remove filters, here you can see the percentage is different. Application 9.65, shares 9.57%, like this, and total is 23.26%. So why 23.26%? Because remove filter is removing all the filters. The filters we have taken only the three products. Remove filters is removing the filters. Okay, in all selected, what we have done? In all selected, there is a filter. We have taken three products, so all selected is counting only the three products percentage. But remove filters is removing the filters. So what is the percentage here? Percentage is if there is 15 products, remove filters is total 15 products is 100%. Here for the remove filters, total 15 products is 100%. Among 15 items, there is three products are selected. So what is the percentage of that three products among 15 products? You got my point, I think. Remove filters is taking all 15 items. Among all 15 items, it is creating the percentage of these selected three items. Okay, so among 15 products, these three items percentage is 23.26%. And for all selected, it is the percentage of 100% is among these three selected items. Okay, so this is the difference. And last of all, I just want to see the DAX. Here you can see remove filters, removing the filters of subcategories. Okay, removing the filters of subcategories. And all selected is selecting the selected items and then creating the percentage. So this is the difference between all selected and remove filters. I hope you understood this. So that's all for today. So if you like my channel, please subscribe it. If you like my videos, please like it and share it among your friends and support my channel. Thank you guys. Thank you.